meant by data handling? Like, what do you think we'll be doing in this chapter?
Ma'am, mostly like I can understand like बहुत सारे figures के like angles निकालने.
Okay.
It also have mod
Okay.
and ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. So basically, for data handling, we have a lot of things, right? So we will understand one by one. Okay. So the first thing in the data handling is with the help of data, you have to understand what is given, right? So first one is pictograph. Okay. So pictograph is basically with the help of pictures, you will calculate the data. Fine. So for example, this is like A, B, C, D like this. Okay. A has something, B has something, C has something like this. Okay. Clear? Now, for example, one this represent 10 people. Clear? So I made here 1, 2, 3. Here I made 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I made 2 and here I made 1. Right? Now if I'll ask you, Aabish, tell me how many people are there in section A, section B, section C and section D. So one circle means 10 people. So 10, 20, 30. You will say, ma'am, here there are 30 students. Yes? In this, tell me.
Ma'am, 40.
Yes. In the next one?
Ma'am, 20.
In the last one?
Ma'am,
In the last one?
ma'am, 10.
Correct. Okay. Now I'll give you one question. You will solve it. Okay. This. So first of all, write down this in a notebook. A pictograph is a pictorial representation of data using symbols. Okay, you are representing the data with the help of symbols. Now this is given, you have to answer this. How many cars were produced in the month of July? And in the month were maximum number of car produced.
Okay. Ma'am, September have 400 cars.
Sorry, but I asked you for the month of July first.
Yeah. Ma'am, in July there are 250 cars because there are 2 cars that equals to 200 and 1/2. So it's equal to.
Correct. Good. Okay. So I hope you got it how to read it, right?
Also for the second one.
Yeah, it's 300. It's it. Okay. Now the next one is the bar graph. Okay. Now what is this bar graph? Whenever represent the data with the help of this bar. You have seen these type of graphs?
Yeah.
Yes. So they are called bar graph. Clear? Okay. And then like for example, if this is like 0, 1, 2, here the numbers would be given. So accordingly, we'll calculate it, right? For example, this is for the M, this is for N, this is O, this is P, like that. Clear? Should I give you the question?
मैम फॉर द बार ग्राफ मैम लाइक आप थोड़ा और बता दीजिए क्योंकि बार ग्राफ में बहुत प्रॉब्लम.
A bar graph, nothing. You have to just read it. That how many numbers are given, where it is given, like that. Okay? Okay, let's see. Now this is the question. So what is a bar graph? First of all, you will write. Bar graph gives the equal quantity of each category. Bars are of equal with which this. Okay, so if somebody asks you what is a bar graph, what you will write? Wait a minute. First of all, you write the definition. Hmm. Okay, so bar graph are display a bar graph displays of information using bar of uniform width, their height being proportional to respective values. Okay. So and now this is a question. Then you have to answer this. If you want to write this in a notebook, you can. It's your choice.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Done? Tell me the answer. What is the information given by the graph? What information you are getting from here?
Ma'am, a bar graph displays information using bars of uniform.
Mm. In this question, what information you are getting? This question is all about which? Like, for example, in this, I was telling you that on Monday, this is happening. Like in May, this was happening. November, it was happening like this. So in this one, this graph is related to what?
Ma'am, the number of the students in each year.
Number of students in class 8 in each year. Okay, so this is what you will write here. Okay, you have to mention what is given in the, you don't have to tell what the bar graph tells. Okay, so the question is, what is the information given by bar graph, this bar graph? Okay, so they are mentioning number of students in class 8 in each academic year. Okay,
Done, ma'am.
okay, now in which year is the increase in number of the student maximum?
Ma'am, 2000,
7 and 8, this is the maximum.
2007 to 8 is the max, is
Hmm.
the
Yeah. In which year is the increase in the number is maximum? Now
ma'am,
understand this question. Wait.
two, two,
No, no. Wait a minute. I'll explain. See, over here it was 100. Over here it is 200. Over here it is 250. Over here it's 300. And over here it's 350. Right? Now they are asking you, कौन से दो एज में, मतलब जैसे यहाँ से यहाँ पहुंचने में 10 बच्चे बढ़ गए, 100 बच्चे बढ़ गए, like that. So in which year increase in the number? लाइक किस ईयर में सबसे ज्यादा बच्चे बढ़े हैं? सो यहाँ पे से अगर हम यहाँ पे जा रहे हैं तो 100 स्टूडेंट्स इंक्रीज, यहाँ से यहाँ जा रहे हैं तो 50, हेयर ऑल्सो 50, हेयर ऑल्सो 50. यस, सो बेसिकली फ्रॉम 2003 to 4 फिर
okay.
2004 to 5, यहाँ से इधर जाने में 100 बच्चे बढ़े. सो इन दीज ईयर बेसिकली in 2004 to 2005 maximum students increased, right? Okay, and then in which year is the number of student maximum? किस ईयर में मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स हैं? तो उसमें आएगा ये 2007 and 8. ओके,
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Then state the truth for the number of students in this is twice the number in this.
Ma'am, 2.
Huh. Okay. Now coming to the double bar graph. Okay. Okay. Now this is double bar graph. Okay. So a bar graph showing two sets of data simultaneously. It's useful for the comparison of data. Okay. So in this, like for example, I said in like for maths in 2000, what's wrong? For example, for maths in 2005, I scored 30 marks. In 2006 and 7, I scored 60 marks. So you can easily compare it, right? So now this is what you have to, first of all, you can write about double bar graph and then this. Okay. Done?
Ma'am, done.
Okay, tell me the answer.
Okay, ma'am. So for the first one, I have written this double bar graph shows the marks obtained by the student each year.
Yes. Okay. In each year, in each subject, in each year. Okay. Marks to scored obtained by students in each subject in each year. Okay. Or you can write in different years.
Done.
Okay. In which subject has the student perform improved the most? Hmm? I can't hear you.
Maths.
Yes, correct, correct. Hmm. In which student has performed deteriorated?
Ma'am, in English.
Hmm. In which subject as power it's remain same?
Ma'am, Hindi.
Correct. Okay, easy. Okay. Now I will give you some question and you will draw the bar graph. Okay, you'll try to draw it. Okay, clear? Hmm. This. Done?
So,
Okay. So I hope you made it like this only. Yes. So first of all, July month, it was. What is the time gap you took over here?
ma'am,
Like, hmm,
1500, 2000 and 200. Ma'am, 2500.
not 1,000?
Ma'am, 1000, 100, 2000 and 2500.
Okay. Now let me tell you one thing. The gap, like for example, the first gap you took is for 1,000 rupees, right? 1,000, and then are the gap is 500, and then 500, and then 500. Yes. So you make a zigzag line here. Okay. Because the gap is not equal, right? Here and here. So we make a zigzag line here just to show that the gap we took is more. Clear? Okay. Then for July, for August, then September, October, November, and December. So July it was 1,000. For August it is 1,500. For September it is 1,500. For October it is 2,000. For November it is this. Then December it is, right? Okay, fine.
Ma'am, I just made it like this, but ma'am, zigzag line का समझ नहीं.
देखो कभी भी हम क्या करते हैं ना, ये रूल होता है ग्राफ में कि सारे गैप ठीक हो। जैसे यहाँ पे 0 आता है, ठीक है। 0 के बाद 0 से 1,000 जाने में आपको कितना टाइम लगा? 1,000। यस। क्या तो आप इसको ऐसे लो, 0, 500, फिर 1,000, फिर 1,500। सो सारा गैप सेम है, राइट? यहाँ पे भी 500 का 500 का डिफरेंस है, यहाँ पे भी 500 का डिफरेंस है, यहाँ पे भी। बट इन दिस केस यहाँ पे 1,000 का गैप था 0 से 1,000 जाने में, फिर उसके बाद 500 का था, तो सेम तो नहीं है, इसलिए हम ये जिगजैग लाइन बनाते। ओके, कि हमारा 0 से लेके 1,000 तक का गैप डिफरेंस है और उसके बाद का गैप डिफरेंट है। ओके, बट अगर गैप सेम होता है, जैसे इस केस में 500 से 1,000 गए, 1,000 से 1,500 गए, तो 500 का गैप है सब जगह, इसमें कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है, अलग नहीं है कुछ भी। सो इसलिए यहाँ पे हमने जिगजैग लाइन नहीं बनाई। ओके, नाउ दिस इज डबल बार ग्राफ, ट्राई इट वंस, हाउ डू यू मेक इट?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you?
Okay. So over here we make this like this. So first of all, school A, school B, and school C. So now you will make the numbers here. 5, 5 gap you can take. 0, 5, 10 like this. Okay. Then first you will make for walking, and the other graph like, and then the other graph would be for cycling, whatever it is. Okay.
Ma'am,
Hmm. Done? No? Confused? Okay, let's say 0, then 5, then 10, then 15, and then 20, then 25, then 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, and so on. Okay. Now walking is 40. So I'll make it like till here. Then cycling is 45. So it is like this. Then for B, it is 55. So I'm just making it like this. Okay. And then cycling was 25. So it will come here like this. And then it was 15. Then cycling was 35. Done. What was the big deal?
मैम एक्चुअली समझ नहीं आ रहा था बिल्कुल भी.
अभी आया?